It won't open, look. And it won't tickle.
Hi, Deadlock's here again for the Sunday Challenge video. Got a couple of things to cover first. Number one, I was ill through the week and slept for 36 hours, so that's why I've missed a lot of videos that I would usually watch. So if you've been missing us from your comments, I'm sorry.
Then you made me ill, so.
And she's not bitter at all.
I am. Very bitter. You owe me chocolate to make up for it.
Second thing is, while I was asleep for 36 hours, apparently we passed the 100 subscriber mark.
Woohoo!
Which, well, I thought would never happen in the first place.
I really didn't think we were ever going to get to 100.
Yeah, I thought we were going to get to like maybe 6 subscribers and
Like,
then I'd get bored.
That's what I kind of hoped was going to happen when you said you wanted to start a YouTube channel. So I kind of thought it was going to be, right, I'll amuse him, we'll do this, and you'll realise people aren't watching, and then we'll just stop doing it, and that obviously backfired.
Like you're saying you don't want to do this anymore.
Well, I'm going to have to, people like one.
You mean it's unusual feeling liked?
Yeah. Just a tad.
Well, yeah, we do have something planned for celebrating the 100 subscribers.
Maybe they don't like us. Maybe we've got 100 subscribers for Tank.
I say.
Get to 200 and Tank will do a dance. Maybe, because I don't know if tortoises can dance. But I'll make them dance.
If not, we'll dress Mrs. Deadlocks up like Tank and she can do a dance.
I actually have a tortoise outfit. It's not like that, you weirdo. I was a primary school teacher. I did World Book Day. I was Ezio Trot, the tortoise. Don't stop that.
See, that's some kind of weird fairy. It would be more of a scaly, wouldn't it?
I'm not one of them either. I literally did. I dressed up like the tortoise from Ezio Trot.
Anyway,
Anyway,
yeah, we do have something planned, but we got the 100 a bit quicker than what we expected to once we realised that was actually going to happen. We haven't actually got it all together yet, so that'll probably be happening next month.
Well,
so it's not December yet, is it?
No, it's December on Monday, which is when this goes up tomorrow. So.
So it'll be next month, which is December. Which is
tomorrow. In other words, he has to wait for me to get paid so I can buy things.
No, I have to wait till Mrs. Deadlocks gets paid so she can give us the money
no,
she owes us so I can buy things.
Oh, no, it's not.
What?
A lie. December's on Tuesday.
Is it?
Yeah, because the 30th is the day that I get paid, which is Monday. Because I get paid the last working day of the month.
But what we're trying to say is there is something happening in December. So.
And we are extremely grateful for the 100 subscribers.
We are.
And.
But now, since we're nearly 4 minutes into this Sunday challenge, we've done no challenge. What we're planning on doing today, since Mrs. Deadlocks had that nice feel of trying to unlock the...
They're really difficult to unlock.
Failing
it's
to...
not these ones, is it?
It was them ones that you failed to unlock.
These are hard, though.
Well, Mrs. Deadlocks failed to unlock them with the key. So, Mrs. Deadlock's got to put them on, get out of them with the key. Then I've got to beat her time with the Parker pick.
Do you know a way of stopping it from getting through and taking them out of me winning? If I swallow this, then you're going to have to wait like however many hours. Then I'll definitely have won. But I don't want to swallow that. That could be quite sharp and painful. Don't swallow sharp things, kids.
You'd have to swallow 2 of them just to make us have to make another one.
You got another one?
Yeah.
Oh, you broke my teacher one, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, I liked my teacher one. It was a nice colour. It was like an icy metallic blue. Anyway, let's do this. Oh, my nails are rubbish. I chipped them while I was tidying. Just excuse the nails. Them ones look okay, so you can look at those ones. But why are you double locking them? When did you say you were double locking them?
What's going to be double locked for me? So, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. You're
Well,
there we
I
go.
have to get it into... So there's that one, and then there's one. Yeah! I can't get the key out. Oh, there. Wait, where's the hole? Where's the hole? Ow! 22.8. Can't beat that, man.
Give it a go. I'm not doing this right. No.
Oh yeah, you've got to do it the right way around, because you've got your... What you calling them, Bob?
The plastic locking poles to think about, not locking poles, double lock.
Wait a minute. Yep. Wait. We're set. 3. No, put that down. 3, 2, 1. No, you've got to lose. No, you have to lose. No, you have to lose.
That was actually about 13 seconds.
No, it wasn't. It was 15. It took you a second. Don't even start lying. Oh, it's about 30 seconds. No, it wasn't. It was 15 seconds, you cheater.
Either way.
You're a cheater.
Either way I won.
Either way, you're a cheater.
I won.
You're a cheater.
How did I cheat?
Because clearly you changed this key so it doesn't work properly.
That key.
That key, you've changed it somehow.
That key.
That you've changed. You're cheating.
No.
You are.
Anyway.
Cheaters.
On that note of
You cheaters!
for losing this.
No, you're cheating.
See you next time.
Cheating.
I'll say bye for you then.
Bye. Cheers.
There we go.